welcome to my natural universe. My name is Periska Mama. To my new viewers and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the click. So today I want to style an extension. So I purchased an extension. I have never had an extension before, or a wig. So this feels like a wig, honestly. So I want to style this one. I don't know what I'm going to style, but I'm going to figure out as I proceed. So this wig, this extension is, I feel like, I don't know, it's like a bit like number 2. It's not like the black one, like the number 1 black. But that's what I didn't get, the one that matches my hair color. So I'm just going to use this one, and I hope it's going to turn out well. Since this is the first time I'm using it, and I'm trying it, and I've never done that before. So we're just going to get into it and see how I'm going to style it. So my hair it's giving the 90s vibe. I even feel like I can just walk around like this. I feel like I'm a superwoman. I feel like, the African in me, That's what I'm feeling right now. It's giving a very nice vibe. However, the moment I step out of this house, it's going to like shrink to 0 because it started shrinking. So you can see. So let me see how I'm going to style it, and I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to do more. I'll be using some oil, the olive oil, the Ideal olive oil. It's been a minute since I purchased this. You can see that it's like a small one, the 50 ml. I'll also be using some gel wax to lay my hair, and maybe something else, maybe a braid, I don't know, something. We'll see how I'm going to style my hair. So let's just get into it. this is how it looks like. I don't know whether I'm contented. However, I feel like adding a braid here. Let's see how it's going to be like. That's annoying. I know you're wondering where I'm adding the braid. I know we can't see, but so this here is my braid, and this is what I have in mind. So this is the final look. It's taken me like forever. But okay, the fact that the light is going, I don't have a ring light, and yeah, it's getting dark. So as in, I don't know, I guess it turned out good. Actually, I'm satisfied, I'm contented, and you can try styling your extension like this, like having these, you know.